Today we're gonna talk about CA, CS, ICWA, CFA. We're gonna talk about who should do MBA after that. The guest today we have is Pranav Joshi, who is an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad, worked with great brands like Protiviti, Grant Thornton, running his own firm.
MBA के बाद you are equally lost because you never entered MBA with an objective in the first place.
So you applied to just two, ISB and IMA.
So that is how I entered MBA. But once you enter that ecosystem, that is when I would say magic starts happening. It matters where you start. It also matters how you are promoted later on. हमारे इकोनॉमिक्स प्रोफेसर ने प्रोफेसर विश्वनाथ पिंगली, he has a very famous way of teaching what is called signaling. वो IIM कैल की डिग्री से ये डिटरमाइन नहीं होता कि आपको कितना आता है. It will open doors. It will give you that first mover advantage. It will allow you to sit on the table. Then you don't need to put that additional effort to build your credibility. Strangely, there is more demand for people who have not qualified than probably who have.
There are 10 million people join workforce every year. Roughly 10 to 12 million. Number one employment है MBA में. 90% people almost get absorbed. The data says that 4.5 million लोगों का जो कोर्स है उसका कोई करियर आउटकम नहीं है. डायरेक्ट करियर आउटकम नहीं है. Some people think they are very smart just because they know the art of cracking exam. Very scary data is 60% of these new IIM intakes are filled by freshers and companies are not liking it. So you went to IIM Ahmedabad. What is that one thing that is still with you and will always be with you?
See, after MBA, I have learned this new concept called cognitive load. My whole life goal is to reduce cognitive load.
Problem statement I am trying to solve is how do I achieve next phase of growth without this same emotional cost? Which kind of personality should not go for CFA even if they can crack it?
CAs are trained by training. They are taught to think from left to right. So everything is post-mortem, everything is in retrospect. The higher paying decision making roles think from right to left. The journey from being that operational person to being a right to left thinker and then being part of those decisions is the transition which every CA needs to go through.
Now what should he look for in the first job?
You have to just consciously be in roles where decision making is happening. You have to be near to those roles. How close are you to that function will determine how much exposure you get to become from a left to right thinker to a right to left thinker.